Target, and I just found something that I had never seen before. This is only at Target. It's called Tiny Vinyl, and as it says here, it plays at 35 RPM on most manual turntables, new and only at Target. So what's a tiny vinyl? This is what a tiny vinyl is. And you know what? They look kind of cute. I'm not gonna lie, these are pretty cute. I bet you when you take them out, they probably have their own little colors and everything. Really cute. But there's a couple things about these that make me question what the purpose is aside from a novelty. So let's look at the K-pop Demon Hunters. And of course you have an only at Target, so you're gonna see that a lot. And it's like soundtrack from the Netflix film. Well, that's pretty cool, right? Oh, there's 2 songs on it. Golden by Huntrix and Your Idol by Saja Boys. What if neither of those are your favorite songs? Well, there you go. We have Britney Spears' Baby One More Time and Oops, I Did It Again. That's pretty self-explanatory, so it's basically one song per side. Oops, the Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride, Haley, Papaya No Lilo, Amia. Sorry, I'm butchering that. Millennium, this is actually one of my favorite albums from a boy band. I Want It That Way and Larger Than Life. I mean, you know, pretty good songs, but there's like 10 other songs that are equally good and everything. This kind of makes more sense, Rihanna, Friend of Mine, because basically there's only one song on this one, it looks like. So it looks like you can get the same song on both sides. That makes a little bit more sense considering that's basically a single. That makes sense. But we have so many of these albums that only have a couple songs. Like, what's this one? Who was this? Oh, Ariana Grande. Okay, so yeah. Oh, and there's a parental advisory, so you know, watch out for kids on that one. That one, okay, yeah, it does say only at Target. So, okay, 2 songs, whatever, but a novelty item, right? Well, here's what kind of drives me nuts. $15 for 2 songs. Like, you're averaging $7.50 a song, really $8 a song once you factor in the tax. Like, here's Frozen. Of course it makes sense to have Let It Go on there, and Do You Want to Build a Snowman, but like, you know, Where's For the First Time Forever? I mean, the Frozen soundtrack is just, now the artwork is really cool. I think these are novelty things, but I'm wondering if the novelty is already wearing out because a couple of them are already being clearanced. Of course, these are Christmas things, so that kind of makes a little bit more sense. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know why you would buy 2 songs for $8.50 each when you could get like a dozen songs for $25 in most cases. There's a couple that are a little bit more expensive, but $25 to $30, that's kind of the general rule of thumb. So oh yeah, and by the way, if you like CDs, they still have some CDs there. But yeah, so this tiny vinyl thing, it's cute. If they discount it to like $5 a piece, I might pick a couple up for the novelty's sake, but I don't see this catching on.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters, and I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running, and of course is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to, it is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, you know, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.